You can also easily import out videos inside of 3D space in Blender. So to do that, what you can do is, first of all, I suggest you to enable out a plugin called import images as plane. So if you were to go around onto add-on, you can search for plane and this will pop up. So you can enable this so that you can easily import out the video. So to import out the video, you can go to file and then over here, you can click on import, go to images as planes, and then you can navigate around onto the folder right here. So you can go inside and then import out the video that you want. So I'm just going to go around and click on import images as plane. And this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here onto the textured mode right here, you can see the water right here. So if I were to press the play button, this is what you have. As you can see, that's the video file. And if I were to play and pause this, you are able to see the video just like this. And this is a polygonal file. So you can go around, hit tab. I'm going to right click over here, go to subdivide, then I go to subdivide, increase out the subdivision. And over here, what you can do is you can select this out right here, just like this. So let me just select this. You can go around over here, change this out right here. So you can go around, change the polygonal faces and everything, as you can see right here. I'm just going to go around and then press tab right here. And I'm going to say the smooth, this is what you have. So if I were to play this, you can see that this is video on a polygon right here. So this is a texture. So similarly, you can go around, bring in other things like a UV sphere, let's say, for example, and add in that video as a texture over here as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the sphere. I'm going to click on new, and over here in material, let me just select the water video, and there you go. There's the video file right here. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that this is the video file right here. You can also go around right here onto UV editing. So this is the UV editor. As you can see, you can change around the UV editing editor as well. You can go around, move this out. You can resize this out so that it affects how much video is displayed out on the sphere. So if I were to go around right here, so let me just pull this out right here, go around over here onto this mode, and there you go. This is what you have. So if I were to go around, you can see that the video is there. You can press the play button and there you go. You see that the video is wrapped around on the sphere right here. And that is how you can work around with importing out the videos inside of 3D Workspace inside of Blender. And that is how you can actually go around and then use videos as textures inside of different files, inside of different objects. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.